What's up, you guys? So I'm playing this game. Oh, I didn't look at the thing, but we're just gonna play this school game. What do you want to? Wait, with a fire alarm. Guys, don't do this in real life. It's just in the game. Please send fireman because now at this school in Roblox. Oh no! Oh no! Are you seriously? Where? Oh no! Get away from me! Ah! You idiot! Ah! No! Oh, it's dead, isn't it? I know it. Look what joked on! Oh! No! Ah! Run for my life! Bro, where's the exit? Yes! Ah! Ooh. Let's go! I'm so crazy. She was right behind me. I did not get caught. Did not get caught, bro. Let's go. Oh, oh yes. Jump. Ah! Yo. Ah! I got hit in those little spikes. Yo. Shut up! Worse! Yo! Oh. Ow. Shit. I got hit! Oh, yo! So good! Oh, it's been... My God.
They're so bad that they almost like a cutie for breaking food on their teacher. What did they do to their teacher? They lit the teacher's desk on fire.
Oh, I knew something was going to happen. Oh, no. No, she's right behind my back again! That's a dead end. Ah! Where do we go? Wait. Oh, go ahead. I know this is going to fall. Oh, she didn't fall down. Yo, like literally, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. No. I'm not dying either. Beware the duck. Beware the duck. What duck? I don't know what duck they're talking about, but what was that? What's that noise? Ah! What the heck? What kind of dog is that? Baby, look, you stupid goof. Yes, got it. The third final time. Oh no, I'm the good.
Are we paying him $100 to clean? After cleaning up the mess, we got Reed alone to try and get a little deal done behind his sister's back. You really like your sister. I love it. How about this? You're a part of our team, and we get it back. What do you say? That's $100 that we're spending. There you go. We got a team. Alright, I like this. So tell us where the drops are. Alright. Okay, that works. Oh, so this is the backyard.
You. Spicy, come chill with me. Don't care, I'm making you. It should be screwed. No, it's not.
The kids were nice enough to let Drew shower, but we did not let our guard down. I feel like I'm getting grand.
There's literally nothing to do.
You shower, we'll watch the kids. Alright, you get it? So right now, Drew's taking a shower. Who took a picture to Drew?
Art class. This does not look like. Does it? I think I did avoid this. Okay. I got jump scared from one character. And keep dying from these stupid lasers. Laser. Wait! I just shot. Yoink!
When you place that label on,
What?
your I made this moment. Avery, ideas
What
sticky.
is this? Cafeteria? Bro, the cafeteria? What? What kind of stuff? Bro, why is this pissed off? I'm cooked. It's right behind me! I'm cooked! Let's go! I'm not cooked. Ew! Swim? I would try to hold my breath until I get to the other side. Ready?
What is going on? Just give him $100.
Oh, since we're twins, you have to pay us. Yeah, that's
Whoa, that is not.
Yo! I hold my breath. Uh-oh. Maybe our door doesn't open. Bro, why would I want to go up there?
What if we get them back? Let's get the police involved. We have these police friends that will help us arrest them, and they'll think they're actually getting arrested. It'll be the best.
Get to the bus. I feel like something is going to be strange out here.
Ran their mom through the plan, and she was off.
I know it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! It's
You can't out-prank the pranksters. That's right.
subscribe. Make sure you comment down below. And subscribe. So I will see you in the next video.
Most evil kids can be in
So, peace.